Here are a few of the postures and practices that you can do to build neck and shoulder stability. Make sure that you practice these postures in a gentle manner with no pain experienced during the practice. These postures need to be built over time, so ensure that you do it slowly, gently, and with awareness. To begin with, we shall be doing a variation of the Brahma Mudra, where you shall not just be using movement but also the power of sounds. So sit in a comfortable way in Vajrasana or any other seated posture such that the spine is tall. Make sure that your shoulders are down, chest is open, and that you have a very nice long spine. And from here, as you inhale, take the chin up towards the sky. And as you exhale, you will hum and bring the chin slowly, gently down towards the chest. As you inhale, bring the head back to a neutral position, and from there gently turn the chin towards the right without lifting your right shoulder. And as you exhale, you shall hum and bring the chin towards the left shoulder. Inhale and slowly bring the chin to a neutral position, and then take the chin all the way up, feeling your throat. And as you exhale, you will hum and bring the chin down. Inhale, take the chin to neutral position, taking it slowly to the right along with your breath. Exhaling, humming towards the left. Inhaling, coming back up, taking the chin up, feeling the throat, feeling the back of your neck. And exhale. Inhaling, coming back to center, turning the chin all the way right. And exhaling, humming, feeling the vibrations as you slowly turn the chin towards the left, making sure that throughout the practice you maintain a beautiful long spine and that the chest is open and the shoulders are kept in a neutral way. From the Brahma Mudra, we shall now practice a gentle way to strengthen the back muscles. To do this, bring the fingertips onto your shoulder and then bring the elbows to touch. As you inhale, take the elbows up, all the way up, and then as you exhale, make a big circular motion, bringing it down. Inhaling up, making sure the spine is straight, the chin is held parallel to the floor throughout the practice, and exhaling down. Continue to do this practice 5, 8, 10, as many times as that you can. You will feel the back muscles, especially the trapezius, really squeezing and working while you do this. And then once you had a lot of practice in one direction, gently start to turn the direction. So this time elbows together, and then as you exhale, bring the elbows out and then up to the ceiling, and then exhaling down. Slowly rotating, keeping the straight spine, face fixed, and making sure that you try your maximum to bring the elbows together as you breathe out. Continue this practice, and I can assure you that you can feel your muscles building, and once these muscles are strong, you will find that there is less discomfort in the neck. Once you have strengthened the muscles, take time to rest, and then we shall go into some deep stretches. So sit comfortably and then extend the right hand out. As you inhale, take the right hand up to the sky, and then as you exhale, bend the right hand at the elbow, trying to bring the fingers down towards the neck behind you. Trying to make sure that your elbow is just behind the head so you can use the left hand to help the right hand be in a better position. Then extend the left hand and slowly take the left hand behind you, trying to do an arm bind. Most likely this is difficult. In that case, what you need to do is hold a towel in the right hand and then let it drop down your spine. And then once your left hand is behind you, try to grab onto the other end of the towel. This way you will try to slowly work your fingers towards each other through the towel, and that will over time help you build flexibility. Wherever you are, it does not matter, but what you can do to increase the intensity of the pose is to breathe out and slowly stretch forward in a forward bend. Stay and breathe. You could be having your fingers clasping each other, or maybe you might be holding the towel. And then as you inhale, slowly come up and then release the hands. Let's do the same practice for the left hand. Inhale and stretch the left hand out and exhale. As you inhale, take the left hand all the way up to the sky and then breathe out, bend the left elbow. You can use your right hand to bring the left elbow right behind your head, increasing the stretch. Now reach the right hand out and then bend it, bringing it behind you, trying to hold the fingers. Once again, you could try using the towel if you're finding any difficulty in holding the fingers. As you exhale, lean forward and stay. Try to stay for a few breaths every time you go into this posture. And then inhale, very slowly come up, and exhale, release the hands. For the next practice, sit in a comfortable cross-legged position. Reach the right hand out to the side so it is close to the hip, and then bring your left arm all the way to the top of the head, holding your head gently with your left palm. And as you breathe out, bring the left ear closer and closer to the left shoulder. This way you shall start stretching the right shoulder, the right neck. Stay and breathe. And if you wish to increase the intensity, gently move the right hand forward and back so that all the muscles on the right shoulder, right neck starts to stretch and feels really nice. To change the angle of the way the muscles are responding, bring the chin down towards the chest in such a way that your face is 45 degrees from the center line. You're almost looking towards your left knee. And then inhale, slowly come up, and exhale, release the pose. Now let's practice the stretch for the other side. So this time, bring the right hand up and the right palm onto the head and gently ease the right ear to the right shoulder. The left hand is extending just beyond the hip so that you can feel a nice stretch happening on the left side of the neck, the left side of the top of shoulder. Now if you need to increase this sensation, gently move the left hand forward and back, and continue to stretch and breathe so that you get a nice deep stretching sensation which helps ease the pain. And then go ahead and place the palm on the head and then turn the chin towards the chest but 45 degrees from the center line so that you can look towards your right knee. This stretch will be experienced at the back of the shoulders. Stay and breathe. Feel free to extend the length, the duration of the practice so that you get maximum comfort. And now go ahead and sit in such a way that you can interlock your fingers behind you and squeeze the shoulder blades, pulling those trapezius muscles together, pulling the shoulders down, chest is opening. Make sure that you lift your hands very slowly. If this is uncomfortable for you, feel free to hold a towel and then try to lift the towel instead of interlacing the fingers. From here we're going into a reverse namaste. So gently try to turn the wrist in such a fashion that you can have the little fingers touching the spine. And then from this posture, gently rotate the neck very slowly and very, very comfortably, making sure that you pull the shoulders down, the chest is open as you try to do gentle movement of the neck. And then slowly release the hands and release the practice.